If you keep seeing this QR code screen on your smart TV, whether it is Android TV, Google TV, or any other smart TV, when you try to open up YouTube and all you want to do is to watch videos, don't worry, nothing is broken. It just means you are not signed in into a YouTube account on the TV. We'll get this sorted in under a minute. All you need is your phone. On your TV, leave the QR code on the screen. Now grab your phone and open the camera. Point it at the QR code on the TV. A link will pop up on your phone. Tap that link. Now sign in using your Google account, the same one you use for your YouTube. If you are already signed in on your phone, you may not need to enter anything at all. Once you confirm, look back at your TV. Within a few seconds, YouTube will automatically sign you in and the QR code screen will disappear. Before you go, if this helps you, hit that like button. It really motivates me to keep uploading quick fixes like this one. And I'll see you in the next one.